Hey, North London Toyota here again. Got this beauty car here for you to take a look at, so stick with me and we'll check her out. This 2017 RAV4 LE all-wheel drive is a one-owner vehicle and has been serviced by Toyota dealers. It comes with just under 40,000 kilometers on it in this nice black color and has a clean Carfax. Let's go inside and take a look at the interior. So inside this RAV, we'll take a look at all the features. Right on the steering wheel, you can see it does have the volume buttons as well as your Bluetooth buttons. It does have your toggle buttons to get through your display up here. Your dynamic radar cruise control, which is part of our Toyota Safety Sense button, is here. You also have the lane departure alert button down there. You can see it does have the power windows, power locks, power mirrors. You do get an audio display screen here. It is the home of your radio, as well as some car maintenance information. It's also the home of your backup camera as well. You can see down here that there is heated seats on both the front driver and passenger side, a couple different drive modes, and rain sensing wipers, and you also have a USB here. You can see it's in great shape. As a standard, as part of the RAV packages, you can always see you do have tons of room in the back here. There is lots of room, and of course the seats come with that 60-40 split, so you do have that added flexibility in your both storage and seating capacity. To book an appointment for a test drive on this 2017 RAV, call or text me at 226-268-3504. Or come see me at North London Toyota at our new location at the corner of Highbury and Fanshawe Park Road. Don't forget to ask for Troy. Also, make sure you click the subscribe button so you can get notified when any of our new pre-owned stock hits the lot. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.